Hi, it's been a while since I did this silly story. So right now, I'm preparing some orders. And medyo maraming orders. Tapos alam niyo yung design, Saint Anthony of Padua. Have you ever heard someone na pag may nawala sila, ang pinagpipray nila is, Saint Anthony of Padua, please help me find it? Well, that's because Saint Anthony of Padua, a Franciscan priest, he is known as the patron saint of lost things. He was a great preacher na yung mga tao nag-gather para lang marinig siya mag-preach. So, yung story daw, merong young novice, friar na nag-stole nung Book of Psalms ni Saint Anthony. And sobrang precious ng book na yun kasi nandun daw yung teachings niya. May mga notes siya doon. So, ang ginawa niya nung hindi niya makita, nag-pray siya and miraculously, nakita niya yung book. Tapos, baka nagtataka kayo kasi yung image niya, di ba, hawak niya si Baby Jesus. So, merong kwento nun na may isang friar daw sumilip sa kwarto niya. Tapos, nung pagkasilip sa kwarto niya, nakita na karga-karga niya si Baby Jesus. So, that's the story. Saint Anthony reminds us na seek God first, His kingdom, and else will be found. Yan lang. Good night.